Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. It's Para here, and for today's video, as the title suggests, we have a meal prep. So recently, I have leaned towards meal prep. I am on a health journey. I have been for a really long time, and I just really have not seen progress, and I have been really stagnant and not consistent whatsoever.
Guys, the reason why this health journey is prolonged is because I was not dedicated.
However, I had a child, and my little girl, she is a little over 1 now, and it is really important for me to implement a healthier lifestyle as I should have been doing years ago.
Here's the dedication.
Not only for myself now, but also for my daughter, as she is going to be watching me and incorporating my habits. So they need to be good ones. I started working out at home, doing my thing. So with that in mind, I have brought you guys today a meal prep for a mother, but also a busy person and a student. Plan for success or you plan to fail, right? So for me, this is really critical in my health journey. There is no excuses when you meal prep. The food is in the fridge. I am not wasting my time to then go out and get something that is going to cheat me out of the results that I am looking for, right? So this is a health journey, okay? This is a lifestyle change, implementing change little by little to reach the goal. And I want to take you guys along with that because I don't think it's necessary to make drastic changes all at once. In fact, I've done that and I have failed. So I know that doesn't work for me. I don't know if it works for you guys. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have some recipes in mind. Drop them down below in the comments. Enjoy the video. Sun-dried tomatoes, we have egg whites, we have fresh spinach, we have 3 different types of pepper, we have I have 2 onions here because I'll be using those in another recipe, so I'm going to be chopping these up together. But we have onion, we have a little bit of egg, we have fully cooked bacon, okay, we have fat-free cheddar, fat-free mozz, smoked Gouda, and we have 8 medium flour tortillas. Okay, these are the carb conscious, 6 grams net carb and 5 grams of protein. Okay, and each one of these 70 calories. So. Alright guys, so this pan I am using has a little bit of excess stuff in it because I was making some bacon earlier, and this is what I'm going to use to make my eggs and stuff. So I'll be putting everything in the bottom of here to kind of take up some of that goodness. Now I'm off camera here guys, but it is important for me to measure while this is warming up, measure how much egg whites that I have left because we will be using these egg whites. And I'm going to go for at least an egg or a serving of eggs, hopefully, in each burrito. So I'm going to add 2 eggs to this. Alright guys, I hope you guys can see this pretty good. So I'm making, this is for lunch. And I'm making these pita pizzas, TikTok inspired. However, I can't stuff these pitas for whatever reason. It's giving me a hard time stuffing. All right, y'all, this is the pizza finished result. Now, how I put, there's 4 in here. I ate 1. Delicious, bomb. If you guys ever like spicy honey or anything like that, you guys will love the honey drizzle, or you can keep that off, but I love honey on pizza. It's so good. It cuts that acidity, I think, from the salsa, and the saltiness sometimes that can come from the condiments. And the cheese. So basically all I did was put that parchment paper that was on the bottom of that sheet. You can reuse parchment paper, guys. You can use it up to, I want to say maybe 3 times or even more. It tells you on the package how many times you can reuse it. So this is a great way to store it so that things do not of course stick on the bottom of each other. So I have 4 in here. Okay, I made 6. I ate 1. I'm saving 1 out right now, and then I have 4 in here, and I wanted to show you guys. So bomb. Also, when I put this into MyFitnessPal, it was about 470 calories, and it is a little high in sodium, so keep that in mind when you guys, I took out some chicken thighs and I will be using the Normandy blend. Okay, this is a Normandy blend. It comes with sliced carrot, zucchini, yellow squash, broccoli, and cauliflower florets. Okay guys, so the chicken is seasoned with poultry season, which you've seen me season my vegetables with, garlic and some turmeric, and that's it, because the poultry season has a lot of different herbs in it along with salt, so I don't want to overdo this chicken. And now I'm going to put it in the air fryer and I'm going to fry this up. All right, y'all, so it's on 400 degrees and I'm going to do 25 minutes. All right, y'all, this is the chicken. I flipped it 3 times. It started on its top like this first with the skin up. Then I flipped it down, skin to the bottom around, it was on for 25 minutes. So about 8 minutes, I flipped it to the bottom, okay? And then I let it cook that way until about 15 minutes had passed, and once 15 minutes passed, I flipped it back up to the top for the last 10 minutes or so, and this is done. And there you guys have it. It is cooked, okay, all the way through. Super easy. All right, and this is how I'm going to store this. So it has a little bit of juice in here from the chicken to keep the rice a little bit moist, keep the chicken from not drying out. But also, when you are cooking air fryer chicken, I do think it's important that, notice that the skin is going to get, with condensation, once I put this on top, the skin is going to get soft. I would highly suggest popping this in the air fryer for a few minutes before you eat it, when you warm it up, and it will be perfect. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. I always take away different things when I'm watching YouTubers. Even though we may be doing the same thing, we all do it differently, so we can always pick up some new information. But I wanted to note in that video, you did see me put everything in black containers, and I did that because I used to meal prep everything and weigh them out in individual containers, like the 3 compartment containers or the 2 compartment containers. However, I noticed it took a lot of space in my fridge. So in order to alleviate that, I put them in the containers that you've seen in the video. And I use that to increase the options that I can have throughout the week. So I can pick and choose from different meals, and I weigh them out before I actually eat them. And you can see that in my what I eat in a day videos if you want to check that out. I will be coming out with those, so you can check that out. Please don't forget to like the video if you enjoy the content, and don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay in tune and stay up to date with the videos that I post about my life, about self-improvement, self-development, and of course, just following the journey with your girl Para and my baby girl. So, guys, I want to wish you peace and blessings to you and your family from me and mine. And I appreciate your time. I know it's valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.